My name is Renee Pepper and I'm a PhD student at the Menzies Institute for Medical Research under the College of Health and Medicine at the University of Tasmania. What I really enjoy about doing research and studying a PhD is that every day is different. The research that we're conducting in our lab is novel research that hasn't been done anywhere else in the world. I find medical research particularly interesting because in a way it feels like you can make a difference in other people's lives without necessarily dealing with patients or being a doctor in a hospital. So I really like that rewarding aspect of it. We're really lucky in terms of equipment and facilities here. We have all of the microscopes and fancy, expensive equipment that we need. And I also have my own desk area both in the lab and in the office, which makes it really helpful to have your own space. My project is looking at the cells in our brain called oligodendrocytes, and their role is to insulate the nerve cells in our nervous system. And their main function is to allow the efficient transfer of messages throughout our nervous system. In diseases such as MS, we see damage of this insulation, and that causes devastating effects. So my project specifically aims at investigating the roles of oligodendrocytes and the mechanisms that regulate their behaviour, in a hope that one day we might be able to modulate their behaviour and target it towards the damage that is in multiple sclerosis. I'm really lucky this summer to be able to visit Stanford University and give a talk about my research before going off to attend the Cold Spring Harbor Laboratories meeting. That is one of the leading meetings of the world of all the researchers in my particular